Hey everybody. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use earrings to create your nail bling. Now this is an earring that I just found that was on like a pack. These usually come with like a pack of like 16, whereas if you have a full pack, like you can literally put all the bows on your nails. But basically, all you really got to do is just break these little back pieces off like this, and then I'm going to show you what I put it on with, which is going to be this clear poly gel, and I am also going to use this earring as well. So of course I'm going to break these letters off, break them in half, because I'm going to put a letter and then I'm going to put the bow on the middle finger, because I get to be ratchet since I ain't gotta do no hair. So this is mainly going to be the elbow grease if you decide to use a little earring like this. Like these earrings are actually like super cheap and flimsy, so it was like super hard for me to break the pieces off, because you got to be super careful when you're dealing with these cheap earrings. But I basically used a box cutter and wire cutters to break the earrings up before I put them on my nails. This is just like a super, like if you do your nails at home, or if you know you want to add bling to your nails after you get home from the nail salon without spending $200. This is like an amazing alternative for that. So as soon as I can break this off, and like I said, you got to be super careful because, okay, so I just broke the little piece off of here, which was this piece. But remember, be super careful because you don't want to break these cheap earrings. Okay, so now I have my pieces separated, and I'm going to use this to adhere them to my nail so that they stay on. And I'm just going to start with a little bow and just put a little drop of the poly gel on the back. And I'm going to put this one, on my middle finger. So I'm just going to get that where I want it. And you have all the time in the world to move it around before you cure it. And you can wipe whatever you need to wipe beforehand if that's what you choose to do. But I'm comfortable with that right there. So now I am just gonna, let me make sure it's right. I'm comfortable with that right there. And now I'm just gonna cure it. Okay, so I got that cured. I just did 1 minute because I'm gonna finish putting the rest of these on. And then I'm gonna do like a full cure with all of my nails. So I'm gonna do the next one, which is gonna be the M. You don't need a lot of poly gel, of course. Just enough to get it on your nail. And once I'm satisfied with the location, I am going to cure. Okay. Up next is the A. I would probably put a little bit of this on a piece of paper or something, just so that you don't have to worry about the strings coming out and squirting out too much on the back. But I'm just basically freestyling on the strength of this video. And like I said, you want to make sure that any ooze out if you're not satisfied with it. That you either wipe it off or move your decoration around till you find a good spot for it. And then you're ready to cure. So I got these little hearts that I'm just gonna finish off the look with this because I ain't got time to play. So I'm gonna just do the same thing with this little heart, squirt a little bit. And drop it on my pointer finger. We just gonna drop this little heart on here, honey. Like that. And first of all, it was kind of hard to get those letters apart. It was giving me a hassle, so I'm just like, let me just hurry up and get the video across, because the point is to just show y'all. Y'all ain't got to be paying all that money for this bling blow on your nose, because sometimes this look will run you about $200. And you look up, you be like, well, what did I buy? So I'm gonna just cure this like so. And I got some other little stones too I might put on the thumb, I'm not sure. But I can't get all this stuff on my nails because I be doing hair and it just be snagging and everything, so I just can't do it. But it's fun when you can experiment with your nail decorations and stuff like that, because you know, you'll be surprised who notice your nails. Like, you be somewhere just minding your business and somebody will come up to you like, oh my god, let me see your nails. They be coming way from across the room, so you just never know who's looking. So you always got to be on point when it comes to the nails. Like, okay, so this is the finished look. I did this one off camera, but I just added a little bit of bling, and this is just a little something something in case you try to improvise during quarantine and you still trying to be fly. And to those that are going to get under here and say, oh my god, how do you wipe your butt with those? I don't wipe my butt. I get your man to do it for me, okay? So there's the answer to that question that everybody likes to ask about the ratchet nails. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.